Hello, just give us a second while my chargers get installed if you don't mind.
Sure.
My name is Laurence Eckstein and I'm the US Sales Director at FLO. And today I have a very important message. EV sales rose 51% from 22's incredible growth of 71%. The University of California's study found that 1 out of every 5 chargers, the attempt is a failure. Why is that? Well, unresponsive or unavailable screens, payment system failures, charge initiation failures, and network failures. Or, worst of all, broken connections. We stand by providing drivers the best EV charging experience possible with our industry-leading 98% uptime.
Cute.
Which eliminates the anxiety that EV chargers experience with broken chargers and failures, especially when we need to get back on the road. But we're not stopping there. We're bringing the current and EV future drivers to the next generation of fast charging with FLO Ultra. That gives drivers an experience unlike anything else in the market with independent touch LCD screens, credit card readers, dynamic power sharing, and it delivers the right amount of energy for your car every time, getting you back on the road as fast as possible. And what about broken chargers and hard to use connectors? Well, our first of the kind motorized cable management system makes lifting those heavy cables as light as a feather, making it easy and accessible and simple for everyone. Thank you to my chargers and my drivers.
Excellent.
I think you win the most number of people on stage.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. So how
That's what
many,
we're going for.
The clown car effect.
where are you located, in what states, or where?
Absolutely. So we're born and bred in Quebec City, Canada. We have 2 manufacturing facilities in Shawinigan. Our U.S. manufacturing facility is in Auburn Hills, Michigan. I sit in New Jersey. We have sales team across the U.S., applications engineers, marketing, etc. We have over 100,000 chargers installed globally at 98% uptime.
Excellent. How many chargers are installed across the U.S.?
So across the U.S., our number is a bit lower, around 2,000. We really started in Canada. We actually own 74% of the Canadian charging market, which obviously when we look at the U.S., that's about a third the size and scale. But we have some great wins here in the U.S. We work with New York City directly. We did their curbside charging pilot. We have 120 of our curbside chargers deployed across the 5 boroughs of Manhattan that are at 99.9% uptime, with utilization numbers over 50%.
And what are your plans going forward in the U.S.?
Absolutely. So I'm building out the U.S. sales team. We're expanding broadly and quickly. We're working a lot through our distribution partners as we're bringing our new chargers to market, including FLO Ultra, which is a fully compliant NEVI charger. 320 kilowatt dual part charger with dynamic power sharing, as I stated before.
What's your lead time to?
So that product is currently finalizing its UL certification with the first unit set to ship in mid-April. And our lead times on our level 2s and our current DC chargers is roughly 2 weeks.
What about your level 3s?
The level 3, so we currently have 2 level 3s on the market called Smart DC, available in a 50 kilowatt and 100 kilowatt version. And the lead time of those, we have them built and ready, just shipping time a week, and we're building them as we're building.
So is the 100 a double?
It is a single port.
Okay.
Excellent.
Well, my people are also from Quebec a couple of generations ago, but maybe that's why I'm so slow and don't understand. You're the manufacturer as well as the network administrator?
Absolutely, spot on. So we are an OEM of this hardware. Companies will come up and say, oh, we build EV charging hardware, or we build EV charging software. We're a software company. Well, at FLO, we consider ourselves an EV charging company. Not only do we manufacture the hardware, build out the software and firmware, we also have a 24-hour network operations center. So we monitor all the stations on our network 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So in addition to our aluminum encasings and being prepared for the harsh weather, as you know, in Quebec, can be quite brutal. What we actually are doing is monitoring those stations, and FLO Ultra, which is the NEVI charger, will actually have an AI machine learning built in, so we can start to predict when and why chargers go down, thus enhancing the total network.
All right, one more thing, and I'm probably gonna get in trouble because we're out of time. But What OEMs are you guys got relationships with?
Absolutely. So we work exclusively with VinFast in Canada. We're working with Honda Canada, Hyundai. We're working with Mercedes-Benz, GM, and BMW.
Thanks very much. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you so much, everybody.
Thank you.